This is Oompa Bank. Oompa Bank has the processing, which you can do online. You got your services, you create your checking account, you create your profile, and also download your systems, your systematics, and your social security number, first name, last name, physical address. They have all the services they provide here, and Oompa Bank. Oompa Bank has, as you can tell, I have the laptop access, and you can create your series of Oompa Bank features on the services they have provided here at Oompa Bank. Oompa Bank has the services they provide for your Moses Lake, Washington. That's City Hall, 401 South Boston, Police Station, 411 South Boston. They have a checking, and also you get your savings account, and also you get the APR. When you collect over $10,000, you got the issuance of brochures that are sent to you for creating your credit card. You get your credit card, you get access clearance for a credit card, anything or disclosure at $10,000, and your history of inquiry of paying and depositing your monthly or weekly or bi-weekly deposits shows up on your reflects on your record. Also, you can go on your online services and connect all your services online. Remember, your 365 business, Microsoft has a swipe, face recognition, voice recognition. Also here, you have the same thing, opportunity. You got the account number, route number, and also your checking and purchasing your cashier's checks online, your money orders, and also the discrepancies you have of signing off your checks. You can do email signature right on the laptop here, or your Apple. Email app signature and processing has this feature. You can do an online service, create your account online. Now remember, you have a inquiry manifest record of all your insurance policies or EFT transactions or Gold's Gym or any of the gym facilities that pulls an EFT transaction out of your account, shows on there. There's a Department of Licensing abstract record. Every time you come in and renew your or get a new your driver's license CDL, or renew your license to another specification or adding another feature onto your driver's license, it shows up on your enhancement abstract record. Mr. Vasquez, Department of Transportation, is here in Moses Lake, Washington. Freda Courthouse has a manifest record every time you come into their courtroom or the District Superior Municipal Courtroom. Anytime they show up, shows a record, track record, your driver record, also your physical address, your business CBI number. All those features show up, your annual salary, your yearly income, your liquor tax for your business property that you own, and also the tax hike on the water, and the tax hike on the property, and also the tax hike on the insurance coverage. The higher for the liability, full coverage, property, vehicles, and also the liability, people that don't have no insurance and they're driving your vehicle, people that don't have insurance that got in a car accident, they don't have insurance, and they got insurance because now they're injured because they have no insurance on the vehicle and they're suing. You got insurance to cover for those matters as well. Now remember, Morgan Insurance Company is right next to Oompa Bank. It's as you can see, this is the vicinity of around approximately 10 feet, 20 feet, 20 feet, 25 feet, 35 feet away from Morgan's Insurance Company. Now, Insurance Company has a manifest abstract record on your deposits inquiries, and also Cimaron Licensing has an inquiry manifest record of your insurance coverage, and also your driver's license. You're validated for your upgrades on your CDL. And also, your military ID has manifest records time to time you come in and come out, and overseas draft on your ballot forms by Kennewick, Secretary of State of Olympia, Washington, have a status report. And also the inquiry manifest for voting for the courthouse in Freda, Washington. They have the voting ballot forms, which are uploaded and sent online. And also for your appearance, you show in the courtroom every time you come, that is on record. There's a inquiry manifest record every time you hand over your driver's license, your CDL license, military over to the window. It's processed on the other side of the computer system, and it's updated. As you can see, this is Open Bank, and they have these features online. As you can tell, the laptop access, you have the tablet or Apple Air, Apple One access, and that's also put on the app, personal apps, business apps. You do your signature, e-signature online here on the computer systems, also on the Apple, and also your Samsung 7, 8, 9, or 10. And you also have the features on your Apple apps. But it's that Apple app because you can get in process information here and locally here in Moses Lake, Washington. The loan manufacture of $85,000 was recorded for that matter. That Oompa Bank, they got a drive-through, and also the 8 to 6 or 9 to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. They have a login system for inventory deposits, all the money that you are paying back on a home loan, car loan, vehicle loan, scholarship, or school loan, whatever the case might be. In the legalities of builds the credibility of credit track record on all your manifest record that carries to the central bonded and also the IRS and command unit for inquiry and manifest record for deposit inquiry. And then, simple fact, anything to close over $10,000 has to be noted in process at IRS. Anything at $10,000 is zero. Still be closed, even if it's a penny short or a penny high, is still disclosed at $10,000 amount. You have a funeral home, we have furniture parlor, and anything disclosed on the property, and open containers, closed containers, concrete liners, monarchs, double depth liners, and also the birth certificate and death certificate. That $10,000 is always disclosed, regardless of whether a deposit inquiry or manifest or purchasing product or loaning money. Anything in loaning over $10,000 is disclosed to IRS, tax ID number, Social Security number, your bar number, your Washington Bar Association number, public health, public. For the prosecutor's office, they have a bar number. That assessment number is also evaluated on any forgery, fraudulence, or discrepancies on high flagging or any criminal activities, association with gangbangers, gangbanger associates, anybody in credibility with exporting, importing, or felicitating with minors, or open container, closed containers, or contributing to drugs and activities and methamphetamines, cocaine, heroin, or LSD, which are federal offenses. And in carrying on personally a federal offense, any offenses over 40 grams of possession of marijuana is an offense. Anything over 40 grams, anything packaged and bagged up over 40 grams is an offense. And these activities become federal activities in identity, false identity information, stolen checkbooks, forging fraudulent checkbooks, stealing checkbooks, going through mail, opening up mail that is not yours is a federal offense. And these assessments of parties extradites serious criminal offenses. Here at Oompa Bank, Chase Bank, and U.S. Bank, here in Moses Lake, Washington, and also U.S. Bank, and that's Mr. Martin and Martinez. Well, we're an officer at Warden, Washington. Oompa Bank, we have a U.S. Bank there, and that's Mr. Martinez and Martin, Chief of Police Department in Warden, Washington. That's City Hall at 121 Main Street, 121 City Hall, ordinance, and that's Andy Miller. anything outstanding over $10,000 disclosed, and their secretary staff members on City Hall and also at the police station. Mr. Martinez and also Administration Office. Mr. Garth, Dano, and Jennifer, Dano Law Firm here on Broadway, the personal lawyers, family lawyers, and also Denny Change for family personal suits for make sure nobody steals or process any deposit inquiries, manifest record at Oompa Bank. Make sure the manifest record and everything is on stat. There's 108 Facebook apps, Medium apps, and this is Morgan's insurance company next door. So manifest record, all track record, manifest record. Mr. Vasquez, Miss Vasquez are always at the courtroom, and Mr. Vasquez is at the Department of Licensing, issuing and added on upgrades on their driver's license, smacks on signatures, corporates, and deposit inquiries. And this is U.S. Bank, Chase Bank, and that's always moderated and disclosed on the incoming and outgoing deposit inquiries and checkbooks, and anything disclosed in that matters are always prosecuted. And any inquiries that legal transport or harboring criminals and activities of ongoing or falsifying documentation, Mr. Vasquez and Mr. Vasquez and Mr. Melissa's accessor for Washington, of course, on C Street, 3260 C Street, and also South Florida, Washington, C Street. Across the street is a law firm that coordinates and processes and those recommendations, knowing to be a prosecutor and knowing being to be knowing these rights and becoming a judge and be knowing you're a prosecutor. These guidelines, what state federal guidelines, and what state guidelines, and status of federal offenses carry serious crimes, serious charges.